think first of all, Belgium team wants to win every game, to do their best. You play for your country, so you always give 100%. So we're going to try to win that game, and we'll see how far it brings us.
I think both teams, Belgium and England, to play against Panama and Tunisia. I don't say it's easy, but you should win against Tunisia and Panama. We are qualified, and we will see now if we are good or not, and for both teams.
Our mentality is to win every game we're playing, and we want to win every game, and I feel like if we win every game it just keeps building momentum to keep going in the tournament. And we know Belgium's a top opponent, and we need to be on our A game to get the win.